All right, boys, so it's a wet one out here today. Got the car back in the shop. She's up on the lift. Got the trans out. Got everything apart, and it looks like it was our rear main seal. Turns out there was a little bit of junk or a burr in the housing there that actually ended up ripping this whole seal here. And I'm pretty sure that's where everything was leaking from. So clean that up, put the new seal in. Shop was real awesome. They gave me a new seal and everything, no big problem. So got that all out. Ended up changing the pilot bearing while I was in there the second time. I know the first time I was like, oh, it looks fine, there's nothing wrong with it. Well, I don't know if when we were putting it in or what, we ended up dicking it up. So pulled that out and put the new one in there. So basically getting ready to slap this sumbitch on up in there, but I need a little help with that as we go forward. So, and you guys have already seen that anyhow, so I'm not really gonna show it again because we just did it in a video a little bit ago. But yeah, it's been nuts. It's crunch time around here. We are making the first move across the country in 2 weeks. So, and this car is going. So we are packing up the big trailer with some stuff and getting everything going. And then of course, there's a big storm coming. So that'll be fun. So I'm probably gonna go chill a little bit and let some of the storm hit and bring the temperature down because it's hot. But we're gonna get this thing put back together and we'll fire it up. I'll probably start it on the lift and let it just sit and run. And this way I can keep a eye on exactly what's leaking and where. So I will probably turn on the camera for that. But other than that, I'm really not gonna turn on for much. It's all stuff that you just saw in a video. So like I said, so I'll check in with you guys once we figure out if it's gonna leak or not. Boys, I think we should have built a boat. So the nice thing is the temperature dropped a ton, but I think the trailer's gonna float away. And I know you see that extension cord all up underwater, but don't worry. It's not plugged in over there. I'll have to let that dry out nice. Like a whole lot before we turn the lights back on in the trailer. But yeah, it's a wet one. So I just got the flywheel torqued back in, which is a giant pain. The bolts are, like I said before in the last video, they're shortened. They grind them down, which makes torquing them in there fun. Not a lot to bite from. So, all right, I'm gonna get it all cleaned up, hit everything up with the brake cleaner real quick, and then throw the clutch on.